Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Taylor here again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to play Easy by the Commodores. Okay. Now I'm going to try to explain it very simply for beginning piano players or just people who just simply want to learn this song to sing along with. Okay. I'll show you the chords in the right hand first, and then I'll jump into showing you how you just play the bass notes with your left hand, okay? So let's jump on in. All right, so let's take a look at the right hand and the chords to this song, okay? Right here is middle C. And the chords we're going to be playing are A flat, C minor, and B flat minor. Okay, so A minor is an A flat with your thumb, C with your index finger, and an E flat with your middle finger. And what we're going to do when we play these chords is we're going to hit the bass note of the chord along with the octaves in the left hand. We're going to kind of alternate between the top two notes of the chord and the bass note. Alright. So C minor, play with a G, your thumb, B flat, index finger, and ring finger on E flat. So A flat, C minor, then one whole step down, which would be two notes essentially. We're going to play B flat minor and keep the same exact hand shape. Alright, so it's an F with your thumb, A flat with your index finger, and a C sharp with your ring finger. Okay? So kind of listen to that pattern we're playing and rewatch this if you have to, but that's kind of going to be the pattern throughout the entire song. Okay, I had my foot down there on the sustain pedal, and I'd press the sustain pedal whenever I changed between each chord to kind of give the song a more full sound when we're playing it, okay? All right, so now let's take a look at the left hand. The left hand's only going to play the bass notes to the chords, okay? And to start a measure, it'll kind of have that same rocking pattern as we play in the right hand too. If you listen to the record or the song on Spotify, you can really tell how the Commodores play this pattern. So if you just listen to the song over and over, you'll be able to distinguish how you need to play the pattern and what exactly it sounds like. All right. So in our left hand, we're playing an A flat octave, and if you have smaller hands, it's okay if you can even play just one A flat. It gives you the same sound, just the octaves make it sound more full, okay? Hit the octave again, then we'll change to the next chord, which is C minor. We'll play C octave in our left hand, and I'm I'm just using my thumb and my pinky to play the octaves, okay? Then we're going to go to a B flat in our left hand for our B flat minor chord. And then we stay with the B flat minor in our right hand, and we'll move up to C sharp. And start the progression back over. Sorry about that. Hit my camera by accident. And you can even, whenever you get to that last B flat minor chord, you can roll into a transition with an A flat, E flat, and another A flat. If you do it really quick, and back up to A flat. So that would be something like this. Let's just start over. You can even do a transition from C sharp, A flat, and C sharp, rolling your way up the piano. Okay, so there's a lot of improvising you can do with this song as well. If you want to play it exactly like the Commodores play it, just listen over to Spotify or record for the song, and you can listen to exactly what transitions and stuff they play, okay? Whenever I start this song, I like to start out with just one bass note with my foot on the damper pedal. And then roll into that A flat transition that we talked about. And lift off the damper pedal. Kind of gives a soft introduction, and then you just roll right into the song, okay? So that's how you play the left hand to easy, and when you put them all together and line up the bass notes with the right hand chords, you can really get a nice, pretty song, okay? So that's gonna sum up my lesson on Easy by the Commodores. There's different parts of the song you can play as well, but for beginners, this is gonna be a good lesson for you to learn how to play the song and sing along with it, and just show your friends that you can play it, okay? If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.